Let's see how to find cube root in just 3 seconds. To begin with, you will have to remember the cubes of first 10 numbers and the last digit of it. To make it simple for you to remember, over here you have to keep in mind that if the unit digit of the cube root is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or 0, their cube will also have the same unit digit. Whereas if the cube root ends with 2, the cube of it will have a unit digit of 8 and vice versa. The same thing happens for 3 and 7. Let's see how can we use this information in solving the cube root of some numbers. Let's begin with the first. Let's try to find the cube root of 59,319. As you can see that the number ends with 9. Hence, the unit digit of its cube will be 9. Now, let's try to find the first digit of its cube. To do that, we have to ignore the last 3 digits and check the rest of the digit. Over here it is 59. Now 59 falls between the cubes of 3 and 4, but the smaller number is 3. Hence, we have to take 3 in this case. Hence, the cube root of 59,319 is 39. Let's take another example. Let's try to find the cube root of 3,73,248. As you can see that the number ends with 8. Hence, the unit digit of its cube will be 2. Now, we ignore the last 3 digits and check the remaining digit, which is 373 in our case, which falls between the cube of 7 and 8. But we always have to take the smaller number, which is 7 in our case. Hence, the cube root of 3,73,248 will be 72. Let's take the third example. Let's try to find the cube root of 9,12,673. Over here, as you can see that the number ends with 3. Hence, the unit digit of its cube will be 7. Now, ignoring the last 3 digit of our cube root, we check the first 3 digits, which is 912. 912 falls between the cube of 9 and 10. But as you know that we always have to take the smaller number out of 2. So over here, the smaller number is 9. Hence, the cube root of 9,12,673 is 97. Let's check out one last example. Let's try to find the cube root of 6,14,125. As you can see that the number ends with 5. Hence, the unit digit of its cube will be 5. Now, ignoring the last 3 digit, we check the first 3 digit, which is 614, which falls between the cube of 8 and 9. But we always have to take the smaller number, which is 8. Hence, the cube root of 6,14,125 is 85.